Welcome back. 2008 Pontiac G6 is back. We said it was going to be back because it needs an outer tie rod end on the passenger side, so we're going to do it. By we, I mean me. Dustin's going to do it. I'm going to help him if I need to, but I think he knows pretty much how to do it. And we're going to do an oil change, which probably won't show you. But let's go change the outer tie rod on this. See how you do. Nuts so we don't lose them. Good. Put your wheel over there somewhere, out of the way. Guess what? Every time we get in this car, I find something that's totally destroyed. You need a new sway bar and length. Look at it. It's totally out of the thing. So we'll leave it for now, but we're gonna have to get one of them and do that. We probably should check the other side to see how that looks like. But that's bad. That's no good. Not good. No bueno. Oh, you got lucky. Did you see that pop up? Ah, that's not right. That's not right. You don't even have to work at it.
Got a natural touch, I guess.
Man, so we're going to put it back in for the time being because we're going to break this inner lock nut loose. So we'll put that in there. Put your nut back on there, just a couple threads so it stays put. I'll zoom you in. And there it goes. Just had to get some leverage on it. Spin that loose. Then we can take this now. Now we can pop that out again. Take the nut off, pop it out of there. I gotta back you up because I'm still on top of it. Now that lock nut's loose, now count your revolutions.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11
and 3/4.
3/4.
11 3/4. That's what I remember from last time. Yeah, we'll let them listen. I don't know if you'll be able to hear this or not, but that's bad.
3/4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Taking this back up.
Just, you can do that afterwards. Push it back into back down into it. We got the new nut here, which I don't believe is 18. We're good. That's it. Spin that on there. We're going to torque that.
These up?
Those down.
Okay. Alright.
So you're going to tighten that to 18. Now, we may have to push down on it when you're doing it, or it's going to spin the joint. So, we'll see. Got it? Put your hand all the way out of the end, because you got to. I can't tell if it's spinning because I can't feel it. Is it getting tighter?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, go again. I might try to spin it here. That's it. So stop there.
90 degrees.
Stop there. And then we're going to go 90 degrees, and we're going to do 90 degrees in a little different way.
Okay.
Then I'm going to come in here, and we're going to mark this right here, which is facing basically this way. And we're going to turn that mark till it's here. Okay. So go ahead. All right, take it off. Let's take a look at the mark. Keep going.
45. I'll try to do it so you can kind of see it.
Keep going. Keep going. A little more. That's probably good right there.
Yeah.
That's about 90 degrees. Now, there's these castle nuts. There's a cotter pin for this. So there's a hole. Let's take the flashlight and look to see if you can see the hole poking through somewhere. So it's down here, right?
Yes. Yes.
So if it's lined up, we want to slide a cotter pin through it. If not, we'll have to tighten it a little more to get the cotter pin. But let me get the cotter pin. grab the one end sticking out there. That's it, peel it all the way down. Just peel it right around. Good. And just grab the other one and pull it sideways, pull it towards you. If it's soft, yeah, if it's soft enough, you can bend it. Some of them you can, some of them you can't.
And break it off?
No, just push it all the way around. Just keep pushing it. That's it. It's not going anywhere.
Yep. Okay.
And just snug it up. Keep going. You'll feel it when it gets down there. Good?
Yeah.
Okay. Clip it. You'll feel it clip on. Now hold it and just squeeze that and watch your boot here. You'll see your boot will move probably when you get some grease in it.
How many you think?
Keep going. Let me feel it. Let me see what it feels like. Hold it. Oh yeah, it's going there. That's plenty. We don't need a ton, but we want to get some in there, make sure it's grease from the factory, but sometimes I don't trust them. You want to make sure you get enough in there, but you just want it to swell a little bit, and it did. Give it some gas. Give it a little more. Take 60 to 70 foot-pounds probably. I know that probably doesn't mean a lot to you, but that's the best way to do it. You can get both hands good. Okay, that's plenty. You got a pretty good grip on that. Well, that's it for the outer tie rod on this 2008 Pontiac G6. Dustin did it. Did real well. I can't say it's his first time because he had it apart once before when we were doing the inner tie rod and found out the outer was bad, but second time ever doing one?
Yep.
Not a bad job, not at all. There's your part number. Moog. Hopefully you can read that. Not a difficult job. You should get your alignment checked or get it done after doing this, because whenever you break that front suspension and replace something or have it loose, you know, break it apart, you should get it checked. Even though you'd be close, counting the number of revolutions. But if you need to do this for your Pontiac, I hope it helps you out. If you like the video, subscribe below. Thanks for watching.